What do you say there, folks? So, Billy, I'm just going to do a short little dilly to puffballs, little mushroom. You go around Arkansas here, I'm sure a lot of other places. But sprouting up all from spring to now, you just got to catch them after it rains a little bit. Going to clean it up, slice it up, and fry it. They are delish. I'm going to show you what to do with them. All right, I'm going to move fast. I got a little oil down. I put some season it all on the mushrooms. I soaked them in salt water a little bit because I feel like that may be beneficial. I don't know. Puffball cut up. You know what it feels like? It looks like I should have showed you before I put the seasoning on. Feels like you cut slices out of a ball of mozzarella cheese. Kind of interesting. I've had this with my son-in-law Mason before. He done it. Geez, I hope I'm not forgetting a step. That you know, some stuff. If you don't do something to it 3 times, it'll kill you. No, really, I hope I ain't missing something. I think we just soaked it in salt water. He did before, and hopefully, anyway, we'll see. All right, try to get a little flour. I got some wild game seasoning in here, which is just salt, pepper, garlic, a little rosemary, and thyme. I don't have the bottle in here. I'd show you. Get everybody coated good, and I got some oil right there. Let's just throw it in there. I don't quite have enough oil. I'm gonna have to get a little more. Yeah. Shit, I'll be right back. All right, I got more oil. Got something to cook it with. Got some more beer. We're good for 10 minutes or so anyway. You got 5 minutes before I'm going to need another beer. Ooh, that's kind of pretty, ain't it? Done it with the wrong hand. You know how that is. Let's see. Oh. These are done already. Pretty close to it. We just get a little color on that side. I'm telling you guys, if I don't die from this, it's going to be a tasty little snack just out of the yard. There's 4 or 5 more out there too. They're just a little bitty. I like to let them get a little smaller than baseballs. Actually, I talk like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. That's about as big as I see them get around here, a little smaller than baseballs. So I figured that one's about to die. It's why I really picked that one. But the others, they got, they're all out there like that big round. And this one's, you know, what, 2 inches across, maybe 1.5 inches. I don't know. I ain't a measuring tape. You get down on the grill, you ain't gonna cook standing up in the air. Dang it. Ah. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta have 2 hands. I'll bring you back when they're done. All right, guys, I have just ate one already. And listen, crispy and oh my god. Let me show you the inside. If you can see it, it's kind of a thin one. I guess I don't know. It's it's not almost like a cheesy texture, but it let me see. Damn it. All right, I can't. I'm gonna show you. Super tender, meaty texture. No weird mushroom taste. No outside woodsy taste or nothing. It's just the meat itself barely has any flavor to me. It's a little bit earthy, I guess. I don't know. It's just freaking good, guys. You see one, wash it good. Do that to it.